Okay, start.
Kia ora. Nau mai haere mai ki te akoranga te reo Māori I tēnei rā. Welcome to today's Te Reo Māori lesson. Ko Raori tōku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Kāore ki tōku ingoa. Every Wednesday we'll be presenting a Te Reo Māori lesson to taumata via Google Meet.
We will continue to have 3 segments to each of our lessons. They are a mini lesson.
Kupo te rā, which means word of the day.
And ki waha o te rā, which is saying of the day. Let's get started. Today's lesson is numbers.
You may already be a Te Reo numbers expert, but it is always good to revise what you have learnt.
Let's count to 10 in Māori. First up, tahi. Repeat after me. Tahi. Tahi is 1.
The next one is rua. Remember the rolling R sound like a purring cat. Full of r. Repeat after me. Rua. Rua is 2.
Our next number is 3, which is toru in Te Reo Māori. Repeat after me. Toru. Toru is 3.
Our next number is 4, which is wha in Te Reo Māori. Remember, the WH sound is f. And don't forget to say the R a bit longer because it's a macaron. Repeat after me. Fa. Fa is 4.
Here's another chance to practice our rolled R sound. Repeat after me. Rima. Rima is 5.
Repeat after me. Ono. Ono is 6.
There's that WH sound again. Repeat after me. Fitu. Fitu is 7, not to be confused with the word fitu, which means star in Māori.
Repeat after me. Waru. Waru is 8.
Repeat after me. Iwa. Iwa is 9.
And finally, tiko. 10. Repeat after me. Tiko. Tiko is 10.
To make numbers above 10, like 11, 15, or 19, there is a simple little pattern.
That's right, Raori. Let's say we want to say 11. Well, it goes like this. Teko ma tahi.
This literally translates to 10 and 1. So a little bit of maths is involved in learning a language too. Now, let's practice saying the numbers 11 to 19. Repeat after me. Te kau mā tahi. 11.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā rua. 12.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā toru.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā wha. 14.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā rima. 15.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā ono. 16.
Te kau mā whetu. 17.
Repeat after me. Te kau mā waru.
And te kau mā iwa. 19. We will show you a word, and when you think you know the answer, put your hand up.
One of your learning coaches will select you to give the answer. We will give you time to say your answer before we share the word. Ready?
Ready? Okay.
What is waru? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer?
That's right. Waru is A. What is fa? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Fa is 4.
What is iwa? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Iwa is 9.
What is rua? Ready for the answer? That's right. Rua is 2.
Let's end off with a tricky one. What is te marima? That's right. Te marima is 15.
Did your hub get 5 out of 5 correct? Tokē, well done.
Now we're moving on to our next segment. Kupu o te rā.
Kupu o te rā means word of the day in Māori.
Today's kupu o te rā is kōrero. This can be a little tricky, so let's break it down. There is a background over the o sound, so it sounds like o. And don't forget to have those rolled r's sound like kōrero.
Kōrero means speak or talk. For example, ka kōrero ia.
Which means she will speak.
Ready to repeat after me? Kōrero. Well done.
Now we're moving to our next segment. Ki waha o te rā.
Ki waha o te rā means saying of the day in Māori. Today's ki waha o te rā is kia pai te rā, which simply means have a good day.
Here's an example. Well, that was fun. I've got to go now. Ka pai te rā.
Kia pai te rā.
Repeat after me. Kia pai te rā. That's right. Again. Kia pai te rā. Well done. Ko mā te wehi. Fantastic.
You can now use these greetings, our kupu and ki waha o te rā, in your conversations with your friends, learning coaches, and whānau.
We look forward to seeing you next Wednesday for our Māori language meeting. Same time, same place.
Kia pai te rā koutou.
Kia kaha te reo Māori.